Hello guys, welcome back to iHouse by Imtiaz Mahmoud. Yes, I'm Imtiaz Mahmoud. I hope you're all good. Today's video is going to be a review video, but not product or gadget video. Today I'm going to review an app. Yes, app, you heard it right. Which is called PICTOR. 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 PICTOR is one kind of editing app. You can edit your pictures here. You also can create emojis, text design, etc. Now I'm going to show you the app. Let's move to the screen. I have already downloaded it. Let's open the app. Okay, first I'm going to add, I'm adding a picture. Okay, this is my logo. You can set your size here. Okay, wait, I have to resize it. I think I have to speak. Okay, nice. Then I'm setting an emoji. Yes, this one. Set up this in the corner. You can everything here. Make your size easily. Then I'm typing here. First of all, I can change the text font. Here I'm trying this one. Okay, trying I'm writing here. One thing I want to tell you that you can find this app in Play Store, but not by searching, because it's a new app recently uploaded. But don't worry, I'm giving you the link in my description box, but you have to make sure that you review this app. Yes. iHouse. This is my channel name. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share. I'm setting it. Okay, and I have set my font text. I'm actually looking these apps, how it works. I think it's very easy to use. So go to the link from my description box first. Obviously after watching my videos, then go there, then install it, review it, comment about the apps, and that's all. Thank you. I think you should download the apps, and you must have to give a review. Yes, that's yes, this is a nice app. It's easy to use, friendly. Okay, the app's link is in my description box. Check it out, please check it out. Link in my description box. Here's so many cool emojis. I'm setting this emoji. I just love that. But then I have to save the image. No, sharps. I'm using sharps. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have set it here. I'm going to my gallery to check it out. It's looking nice. Seriously, it's looking nice. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe, comment and like. Thank you.